world is my horse?
This Imperial armor is damn heavy.
Yeah, I know what you mean. There we go. Okay. So, okay, there's my horse. Let me try actually riding up into the camp. I wonder if it'll let me discover it then.
This Imperial armor is damn heavy. Oh, quite heavy.
Well, it's not letting me discover it for some reason. Okay. Let's see here. Well, I need to make my way to Winterhold. So I'm gonna have to go this way anyway. Boy, this is just an amazing snowstorm. Well, the only trouble I'm really having is the game won't let me discover the Imperial camp for some reason. Even though I walk up into it and walk in around the camp, the game is not recognizing that my character discovered it, so not really a big deal. I know where it's located, so it's just kind of a strange thing.